Are you ready to turn children's bedtime stories into a money-making machine? Let's talk about the insane cash flow happening in children's bedtime animation videos. Everyone's noticing how channels in this area are scoring millions of views and tons of cash with each video. It's the hottest thing right now, and you can jump on board and start cashing in too. Imagine making captivating 3D animations with no experience. In this video, I'll show you how to create amazing animated children's story videos in just 10 minutes using a single AI tool that no one has told you about yet. I'll also show you the final result so you can see exactly what you'll get. 3D animated story videos are super popular right now and everyone is talking about it. I'll introduce you to a new, easy way to make these videos using one simple AI tool. This tool is different from any other AI video generator you've seen. This incredible AI tool does everything for you. No more juggling multiple tools or spending a lot of money on subscriptions. It generates the story script, creates the images, adds the voiceover, background music, and even combines everything into a final video. But wait, there's more! With this one AI tool, you can make videos for all kinds of stories: children's tales, action movies, historical dramas, romance, superhero adventures, horror stories, sci-fi, and even real-life stories. It works for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram in any ratio. This AI tool is a game changer, fully packed with everything you need. It does all the work while you sit back and watch the money roll in. Every image you see in this video is generated by this AI. Stay with me, and I'll take you step by step through making your video with this AI tool. By the end, you'll have everything you need to start your animated story video channel today and start earning thousands of dollars. Let's get started. The game-changing AI tool is called Artflow AI, and I know you're eager to try it out. Click the link below the video to get started with Artflow AI. Here's how to begin. Click the link and head over to Artflow AI. Open the menu and click the Sign Up button to register. After registering and verifying your email, you'll land on the main page. Click Continue to Artflow. Artflow AI supports 80 languages, so you won't have any trouble using it. With this tool, you can create consistent characters, scenes, places, and even animate your characters. Plus, when you sign up using the link, you'll get 100 free credits to generate content. If you want more credits, you can subscribe to a paid plan. In the menu, you'll find Actor Builder to create story characters, Image Studio to generate images for your story, Video Studio to generate videos, Story Studio to generate story scripts. Let's start by generating our script. Click on Story Studio and you'll see some sample stories. To create a new story, click on New Story. You'll be taken to a page where you can either write the script yourself and select I have a story, or you can choose Help me to get a story and let Artflow AI create one for you. Let's go with the AI option. On the next page, under Who is your story for?, type your target audience. For this video, I'll type any. Click the arrow to move to the next page. Now, choose the purpose of the story. I'll select Teach children about the value of persistence. If your purpose isn't listed, you can type it in. Click the arrow to proceed. Next, choose a genre. Artflow AI supports many genres like history, horror, sci-fi, romance, and more. For our video, let's select children's story. Next, we need to input our story idea. This is a very important part, where you give it a little bit of idea, and it will develop a story around it. So, let our story be about a boy and a panda, so let me type it in. If you have a story idea, you can type it in as I did, and Artflow AI will develop it. If you do not have one, you can leave it blank, and it will generate a story for you with random ideas. Next, we click on Generate Story Outline. Voila! Our amazing children's story script is ready. It features 2 characters. Timmy, a curious and caring young boy who loves animals, and Pippa, an adorable panda who is playful but easily frightened. If you're not satisfied with this script, you can click Try Again to get a new story. Let's do that. In a few seconds, we have a new story with 3 characters. Jack, a curious young boy who loves making new discoveries, a playful baby panda, and a wise old patient owl. This story is perfect for our YouTube video, so let's click Create this story. Next, choose the video format. You can pick a 9:16 vertical format for TikTok, Instagram, and other social media, or a 16:9 horizontal format for YouTube. Since our video is for YouTube, we'll select the 16:9 horizontal format. Now, select the visual style of the video. Options include cartoons, 3D animation, storybook style, digital art, and more. For this video, we want a 3D animation, so let's select that and hit Continue to Character Creator. It will take a little while to generate our characters, so I'll fast forward a bit. And just like that, our 3 characters are created. You can see Jack, our main character, the baby panda, and the wise old owl, all in high-quality images. If you're not happy with the characters, you can click Edit Character to adjust them or add a face. But for our video, these are perfect. Click Continue to Storyboarding. This will take a little while to generate all the images for our different scenes. I'll fast forward the process. And just like that, all our images are ready. You can see all the cool images for different scenes. If you're not happy with any image, you can change it. The images are awesome, and the scenes fit the plot perfectly. When you're satisfied, click the Export button at the top right to export and render your video. This will take between 5 to 10 minutes. I'll fast forward this part. Now our video is ready for download. Select Download and choose to include subtitles if you want. Our video is downloaded and ready. Let's watch it together.
In the heart of the forest, a young explorer stumbled upon a surprising discovery. High above, a baby panda teetered precariously, its tiny paws clutching the swaying branch. Struggling to help, the boy found himself in need of rescue, trapped among the rustling leaves. Below, a crowd had formed, their voices blending into a worried murmur, unsure how to aid the stranded duo. Silently observing the plight, a venerable avian sage patiently awaited the signal to intervene. Mysterious words of guidance whispered through the dusk, illuminating a path to safety for the trapped pair. Steadily descending with newfound confidence, the young adventurer carried precious cargo to the forest floor below. A joyful reunion unfolded amidst the gathering shadows, a mother's love echoing through the tranquil forest. Empowered by the day's trouble.
Amazing, right? As you can see, this application does everything for you, super fast and high quality. You can easily create your YouTube channel and start posting these generated videos. Plus, you can use this AI platform to make storytelling videos where the main character narrates the stories. To do this, click on the menu and select Video Studio. Here, you'll see all the templates for our video presenter. We have various options: young child presenters, Santa Claus, animated animals, and more. You can view sample character intros to see what they look like. To create your own AI presenter, click on Create AI Presenter Video. You'll see 2 boxes. First, enter the story's topic. For example, I'll type "young boy who saved a tortoise." Next, enter the audience. I'll type "children." Then hit enter. The app will generate a prompt for our presenter image in a little while. You can edit this prompt to change the appearance and background images by describing the presenter. For this video, we'll use the generated prompt as is, so click Generate. This costs 1 token. Wait a bit, and our presenter will be created. You can also specify what you want to exclude in the image. As you can see, it generated a realistic-looking young boy. We can change the presenter's style by clicking Add Style. There are many styles available: fantasy, anime, 3D cartoon, digital art, and more. Let's select 3D cartoon and click Generate. In a short while, new images will appear. We can see our high-quality 3D cartoon presenters. Choose the one you like, click Animate, and it will take you to a new page like this. On this page, we can edit our storytelling video. Scroll down and paste the dialogue. You will also see different voices for the voiceover. Let's listen to a few.
You can use my voice to create animated stories.
Great! Aiden's voice matches our presenter best. You can also filter by male or female voice and select young for a child's voice. Choose the accent you want, like American, British, or African, and click Show Result. Now that we have a voice, paste your script into the dialog box. I already saved a script in Google Docs using Artflow AI's Story Studio. I'll copy and paste the script into the dialog box and preview the voiceover. Sounds cool. For this first scene, only paste the introductory part of the script. We need to create other scenes and add voiceovers for each one. To add more scenes, scroll up and click the plus sign at the top left. Use images from the asset panel to create scenes. Select an image that fits the next part of the script and paste the matching text. Repeat this process for more images and scripts. We can also add effects to make images move like a video. Click on Effects, then choose options like Zoom in, Zoom out, Swipe left, or right. Experiment to find the best effect for your video. Let's select Zoom out and see how it looks. Great, we'll use this. If you're not satisfied with the images in our asset panel and need more scenes, you can import images saved on your device. These might be images you created with other AI tools or with Artflow AI. To import images, click the plus button again, then click on Uploads and then Browse. Find and upload the image from your computer. Add the matching text to the dialog box and apply effects. Repeat this process to add more images if needed. When you're done, click on Export and Animate. This will use a few tokens from your account. It will take a while to animate and export, so I'll fast forward it a bit. Now, our Storytelling Kids video is ready. You can play it to watch the video. If you're not satisfied, click Remix to edit it a bit. You can also share it directly to your social media from here. Or click Download and choose Download with CC to include subtitles and download it. Now that we have our video, let's watch it together.
Hi, I'm Jake, and this is my tortoise Turbo. One sunny day,
I found him in our garden, moving slowly. We became friends, and I learned a lot from him. Turbo wasn't like other pets. He didn't play fetch, but he showed love in his own way. Whenever I came near, he blinked slowly as if saying hello. Spending time with Turbo taught me patience. We would sit in the garden for hours, just being together. One day I saw a girl crying because she lost her toy. Remembering how Turbo made me feel better, I helped her find it. She smiled and thanked me. Another time I helped a boy learn to ride his bike, inspired by Turbo's persistence. Turbo showed me that love and kindness mean being there for others. It doesn't matter if you're fast or slow, what matters is that you care. Thanks to Turbo, I've learned to be kinder and more patient. Turbo might be slow, but he has a big heart, and he's the best friend I could ever have.
Isn't this superb? You can see that this AI tool, Artflow AI, is a game changer. With it, you can start making money. You can even use it to build your own actor for your movie. You can use an image of yourself or someone in real life as an actor. To try this out, click on the menu and choose Actor Builder to experiment with it. Fantastic! I believe this Artflow AI has proven to be a superb tool for you. Let us know in the comment box how your journey creating the children's animation video using this tool is going. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, turn on notifications, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content.